Southcoast, you did it again. We have been voted best of the best for the 8th year in a row. Because of your votes, Couto Construction was named the top company in 4 categories: home repair, restoration, roofing, and siding. Every year, this community reminds us why we love what we do. It's not just about shingles, siding, or windows. It's about protecting you, your families, and the place we all call home. It is more than just awards on the wall. This is a reflection of your trust and our team's hard work. From the entire Couto family, thank you for believing in us, for voting for us, and for letting us do what we love, keeping our community covered year after year. Remember, when it comes to roofing, siding, or windows, Couto Construction, our family's got yours covered.